Drink this to help get rid of your cough, and it will work quickly. So you're going to take a half a lemon, squeeze all the juice out of it into some hot water, and then you're going to throw the rest of that lemon into your water. And that's because of the white part. Now, the white part, you want to extract those citrus bioflavonoids from the pith of that fruit, which also helps with the natural vitamin C in that lemon with its absorption. And for example, 100 grams or half a cup of lemon gives you 35 milligrams of vitamin C. Now, the diosmin and the hesperidin, so the citrus bioflavonoids in this research also have shown to help to lower cholesterol levels as well. You're going to add into this mixture now 1 teaspoon of honey, and this is going to be an unpasteurized honey. This is your natural antibiotic, but it's also an expectorant to help to get that mucus out of your lungs.